You guys are absolutely now tiny on my
Following
stream.
everyone, watching everyone at once.
Yeah.
In fact, everyone watching, you should go to every channel and watch everyone all at once.
With all the volumes blasting.
Yes, exactly.
That's what needs to happen.
Do it.
All right, so now we
All right,
have
I
we're
don't
back
think
to
I
where we were.
have- Should I have an obstacle in the first tutorial, or should it just be like a simple?
I think you should have one obstacle just to like introduce that there's obstacles.
Yeah, I think there
a-
needs to be that tutorial.
I'm a big fan of progressive tutorials. So like
Yeah,
it feels like you're
that's what I
playing the
wanted.
game, but it's like introducing you to new things and new skills that kind of stack on top of each other. Now we don't have many skills, so it'd be like introducing how to rotate.
New blocks.
Yeah, and then
Cool, thanks,
introducing like picking someone up, dodging an obstacle.
Okay. So my volume is the lowest. Is that true there, Shiloh? Interesting.
Yeah, I blasted you up. I think it's
Yeah, you got-
your overall
I just told
volume.
you up.
Like your overall thing is low.
Oh, I did not mean to do that. I apologize. I muted you on my stream.
That'll fix it.
Oh, what up? Is he speaking?
Who?
I think I might have busted my.
No, he's not
I think I
talking.
did- Oh,
Bit dash.
I see him talking.
7, 8, 9. Oh, maybe
Like,
he
on
muted
this
us.
video.
He muted himself. He hates us. That's what it is.
So- I hope I didn't mess it up.
You muted me.
Oh,
They
you
told me the host muted me.
Oh,
I mute
Ooh,
myself.
muted him. Let's go.
No,
useless
I don't like
light.
that.
Get silenced.
Wait. Oh, Frick has too much power.
Unlimited power.
Maybe we'll turn that on. Why won't that turn on?
Mother of God.
Zombie. Yay.
Oh, I'm not losing my mind.
Yeah, I don't know why mine's so much quieter. I'm sorry.
I forgive you.
Yeah, we forgive
For
you.
the obstacles, for a text list tutorial, the obstacles seem pretty necessary. Yeah, so maybe what we
Anchor.
do is the obstacle will be water. And you'll have a simple bridge that you can put on top of your water.
Ah, there we are. Rotation point. That's what I want.
That sounds pretty
Rotatey,
nifty.
tatey. There we are. Whee!
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
I'm trying to think about the best way to do the freaking UI, to be honest.
Yeah, there's some really solid UI things. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Because I feel like
10.
on the blocks is too much information, so maybe I just create a separate side panel that has the available options for rotation and things.
Can I open? You can open the chat for all of them. That's pretty cool.
So originally I wanted this, but I'm thinking instead what I'd do is this. Oh. Ignore that. Right, I've really got to stop listening to lo-fi. This is... I need something hype.
Oh, dude, I gotta. Mestry had like this crazy hype. It was like a game remix, but in like a rock kind of style.
You know what I need to listen to?
Dude, it was so good.
Oh, the Dragon Ball Z like Super Saiyan. Yeah.
Lurk to
just-
cram food in my
I'm
mouth
just
hole.
listening to your beautiful
Sounds
voices.
good, that
That's all I'm
gamer.
doing.
How many character models do we even want?
Let's not I mean, it depends. Do they add more complexity to add more?
No,
Okay.
we just have 10 right now.
That's probably
We don't want
plenty.
too many.
I guess that's
Yeah.
fine. We can always just add more. At least 2. We got at least 2.
Bingo. And we've got a story, which Kenny said is uncommon for Game Pass.
Really? We need a way to like put the story in the game though, so like people know what's going on.
Yes.
I like the idea instead of a wall of text, if we could like somehow do like a
You
chat.
should do like the
talk.
Minecraft text thing.
Minecraft text.
You know, like at the end of the game on Minecraft, if you can complete it.
Oh, that's just a wall. No one reads
Yeah.
that. Are you kidding me?
I'm thinking, Bidash.
Yeah.
Can you have a look at this?
Yeah.
So I just do this instead. You see the thing I'm highlighting on Excalibur?
Yeah.
I'd have that instead. So you click on the item and then you just have these two buttons over here.
Beautiful. I love it.
Because I think on this it's going to be a bit hard. So if you
Yeah,
just put it
yeah.
out of the way and just have it there, and it'll be fine.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good
Yep.
to me. Yeah. Do it. Do the thing.
Do.
All right, I'm committing 900 changed files.
No fucking way. What are you adding or deleting?
And
I thought Bitdash's was bad.
it's just all the character stuff.
What?
It's only 900. Don't worry. I've committed much more.
I should probably do another build soon.
Okay, so then we have.
I've just been doing different builds.
Okay, and then
At least we know that the building is working, which is
someone said that they already had the movement down for the characters.
What?
Yeah, I can't remember. If I see their name, I'll remember. Hang
good.
on.
Well, not them. It's okay.
Users in chat. We don't got.
We have
that.
About a month of game experience. It's okay.
Yeah, we do got a full month behind us.
It's
Next
okay,
Gold
guys.
Freak's gonna do
I bought
1200.
I bought Doritos
That's
extra
wonderful.
flaming hot flavor. So
Hell yeah.
Maybe it's.
Okay.
I think it was Casper.
Oh,
Casper
fucking
had
hell.
the
I
stuff.
just want.
Oh well, I'll just start writing it.
want water. Just plain old water with nothing around it.
Okay. So how does this character
Smells like-
movement work? It was Casper.
jalapenos and a lot of
Who,
Paprika.
Infinitani? Who?
you know who else is coming up.
Hmm? You say what now?
Nice.
What'd you call me?
Man, this is kind of a pain in the ass building out the UI or the levels. I wonder
Could have
if
thought
there's a
about that
faster way
before.
to do this.
I need water.
Water. This doesn't make any sense.
If I don't pronounce the T, my English teacher will forever haunt me. There was like, it's water, not water. Because people in my school used to say water instead of water.
Water.
Thank you for the hydrate.
I think I say
I
more like
appreciate it.
water. Der.
hmm Americans say water
Water.
like D.
Instead of water.
You say, "Can I get some water?"
Water. I need some water.
Yeah, you keep saying it with a D instead of a T.
Yeah. No, it's water. I need some water.
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 How do you guys spell newbie?
It's time.
Is newbie
Can I get some?
N-E-W-B-I-E or N-O-O-B-I-E?
NEW.
We've had this discussion.
We
We
did.
have
I
had this
forgot
discussion.
though. Oh yeah, that's when we got BitDash to say the thing. We tend to
Ulu?
yeah,
Is that it?
do the test.
You're much better at that. It's
Going
disturbing
yeah.
how good you are at that.
I never. um,
Welcome to level design. Yeah. This sucks. I mean, this does not look great. And guys, if the levels look bad, it's my fault.
need me a bottle of water. Can I get some water, please? Alright.
I'm linking this.
Oh, God.
Software.
Spicy food doesn't like me, but I like spicy food.
Yeah.
I lose control.
Fuck if I know what I'm doing here.
Copy that.
I'm gonna let you into a little secret, right? Nobody knows what they're doing.
What?
Good.
I know what I'm
I'm not
doing.
alone.
Oh, sorry, we can't all be Freedom Forge.
I'm
I don't know if you know what
posting
you're doing.
stuff
You did
on-
break your computer the day before. You had
Okay,
a
listen,
commitment.
that was just a happy mistake. It's all good.
Happy little accident.
happy little accident.
Who was happy?
I was not, but listen, sometimes life throws you a curveball. You just gotta hit it out of the park.
Okay.
Inspirational quotes.
Inspiration
accident.
with Freedom Forge. All right. We need some more
Wait.
grass up in here.
The frick? What? I need your love. Why is this not working?
Oh no, no, that's not what I wanted.
Do it. Emperor Palpatine.
We
50? No. What is going on here? I don't know what's going on, brother.
I think the sleep is starting to get to you.
No, I usually just control how weird I am.
You usually just control.
Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Shit.
What I mean is I feel safe around you guys.
She.
Oh, that's sweet.
Alright.
I mean, shit.
No more stranger danger, huh?
No more stranger danger.
All right.
Where's?
How do I show all the layers at once? I want to see all the layers. There we go.
Beep-a-da-dee-da. Beep-a-da-dee-da. Beep-da-da-dee.
So I'm thinking, and tell me if this is a stupid idea, but I'm thinking I want to make it blatantly obvious what your path should be. So I'm using just the basic dirt to like show, oh, hey, this is the path that you need to make your path on. Does that make sense? Or should I not do that? Look at my stream. Do it. Do it now.
Please.
Hang on.
Please.
Please.
Were you born in a barn?
Twitch.
Right. Have a look.
And then
So-
this one.
So the obstacle is the water,
Okay.
and you're going to go from the ugly ass castle to the ugly ass town.
I think it looks good.
Okay.
Alright, let me have a look. I wasn't paying attention.
Wow. Wow.
Hey mom,
Right.
I'm on Freedom Stream.
Hey, Mom. I'm
Whoa,
up for the
bro,
stream.
looks sick.
Shiloh, what are you doing over there? I thought we
like
had
that?
something special.
Yeah, it looks sick.
All right. We're working on it. It'll get better.
Bro, we're
I'll
at
start
least
putting trees and
10.
shit in there.
top 10, bro. I'm everywhere.
Infinitani's everywhere. Infinitani, I gotta say, your first time chat
why we
in Wolfric stream is pretty good. That's a
Oh, I
pretty
like
good first time chat. That's one way to introduce yourself.
variable.
What was it?
You know who else is extra flaming hot? That's
Yeah.
the first message. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I feel like I
Me.
missed out. What is this first message? Light.
It's okay.
I mean, it's not important. Here, we'll pin it. I have mod powers anyways, so
Yeah, don't go abusing them.
Too much power.
Pin
Unlimited power.
for 10 minutes.
What's going on here?
Done.
By the way, I'm just posting in every single person's advertisement thing.
Oh my god, are you actually?
Yeah. We're gonna get a party going right now. We need some.
To be fair, I'm even surprised that Kenny showed up originally.
What are you doing?
I'm
Are you trying to
advertising.
get people to show up?
Yeah,
Nice.
we're advertising.
Hey,
That goes for all of
need
you,
to get,
chat. We need you guys to advertise as well.
What's his name? The Captain Coder in here.
Yeah, what is he doing right now? Is it wrong
Like
that I'm gonna advertise the Kenny Jam on Pirate Softwares?
Get banned.
What did I do? I deleted a whole swath of this. No.
Wolfrick's not even on it.
Shoot.
I can't even add him.
On what?
On
What am I not on?
Nora's bit. Oh, there he is.
I'm here. I'm there. I'm everywhere.
I'm so confused.
He's here. He's
I'm
there,
self-promoing
he's
everywhere,
fucking
that's what's
where,
happening.
boy, can't-
On the Brackies one. Oh, you can't self-promo on that one.
Yeah, Bracky's never showed up to your birthday party.
No, that's true. We're kind of mad at Brackies, to be honest.
Who's mad at Brackies?
I am. You didn't show up to the
Do
birthday
you think
party.
Brackies
Yeah.
cares?
No, probably not.
You can never stay mad at Bracky's.
This is what I see. Oh my.
Go. Oh,
Oh my. Look at Tanny's screen right now.
Once, three chats on one screen. My ADHD powers didn't be wondered though.
Tanny's
happened?
screen
Mad.
just triple screened it up. All three going. Oh
Where is
man.
that?
That's
I want
beautiful.
to be included.
It's beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. That is good. Nice job, Tanny.
Who else has a? Not too many people have an advertised.
Actually, I need one more hat. Tanny, can you give me one hat? Just please give me a hat. Give me a hat, please.
Please, please, give me a
Please.
hat.
Please give me a hat.
Please, sir, can I have some more? Please, sir.
Wait, do I have an? I should have an advertised channel. Do I not?
Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, my Lanta, I
You
don't.
protect this
Oh,
bald,
that's an ad. I'll have to add that.
cold head.
Dobby.
Whoa.
Dobby.
Shiloh's doing the same thing. Let's go. Ooh-wee.
Master has given me a sock.
You know, Shallow, there probably is a way to rotate between layers. That would be nice.
Ideas, feedback,
But I'm not going to look it up.
Master has given me a sock.
announcements. I could do going live on JD's, but I don't know what going live is. Is that like? Yeah, we'll just.
I
I don't
totally
wanna,
fucked this thing.
I don't want
up.
to
Why did I
accidentally
even do
promote
that?
on someone's channel who doesn't want that.
What am I looking for? Scale.
You don't want to be banned.
I just don't want to put a
you
sour taste in their mouth.
But you will.
What?
You will anyways.
No.
Do it.
Hmm.
We're a
I don't
bad
really
influence.
Have any other promos?
Oh my god. I'm not
What
doing
happened?
another level. This is a fucking pain in the ass. Is there a way to search through these tiles?
What? Yeah, you
What?
just scroll, right?
Yeah. That's not what I want to do anymore.
Usually you can make a smaller tile set and then base it off that.
Yeah. that's
Only
probably
you
what I
were
should've
mad at
done.
Brackies. Oh, I talked to him the other day. He said sorry he had a thing he had to do that week. Wait, Dr. Dark, you talked to Brackies?
Bro,
And he said he had a thing. Sure. Sure. Oh, man.
what's more important than the birthday stream?
I know. I mean, come on. Missing my birthday.
I mean, he literally
I
went
think I should
bold.
just make this bigger. We're just gonna make this bigger.
You know,
Bloop.
Bracky's could have prevented that.
Could have. But didn't.
And we're gonna bloop that. And
Could've,
then we're
would've,
gonna-
should've.
We're gonna bloop
Now it's
this.
just never the same. Now it's got to wait 6 months or whatever it was.
Yeah, it's actually going back a lot faster than I anticipated, which is good.
And then
Very good.
Yeah, you're still suited, by the way.
I will ask everyone to come to my birthday stream. Oh, Bracky's called. You said
Like-
he's sorry. Ah, you're gonna invite Elon Musk. See, I was going to,
Yeah,
but
bro.
he's not into game development right now. Probably will eventually, but
But he does play games,
that looks better.
He does.
That looks much better.
at least
Okay.
on X.
all right. So we need to get. I've been thinking about streaming to X. I just don't. I'm not familiar enough with streaming on their platform. It looks kind of confusing, and I also think you need to be.
Is there a separation bar thingy I can make, or do
So-
I have to like? Oh, here. Perfect.
Hey, make sure to take screenshots of your stuff and do post to X. Do the stuff.
Wait, why?
Because then you're advertising.
promote.
Kenny Jam. Promote.
I use
promote.
use the hashtag.
Yeah, Kenny Jam. Kenny Jam.
Oh, it takes you. Wait, I'm confused.
Well, because
Why am
I'm
I
doing
taking
a
a screen-
visual thing, right?
Wait,
I'm not doing
screenshots of.
much visual.
Oh, you're talking about of. I see what you're saying. I thought you meant screenshots of the post itself. I was like, what do you want me to do? Double post?
What are you crazy?
A little.
I'm surprised Kenny actually tweeted it out that we were streaming.
Yeah, that was hype. Postception, indeed. Okay, so now we need to add a script and do
Mhm.
some programming for the character.
Kenny the boss. Kenny is the boss.
How do we get a character to move?
Main world.
I'm gonna have to
I have a
like
question.
do this out. What?
So we've had worlds.gd for the main game for a little bit. Is it now grid, which is the main one? Do we need to
No,
switch
grid
it?
is just holds the tile map.
Okay.
Don't use grid. In fact, reuse grid for your different levels and whatnot.
But on the outside, look. Oh, that's not one. My back. I really dislike this because this freaking thing is not mixing.
Okay.
Mixing no 2Ds. I just crashed the entire game. That's cool.
You have to push them. That will get them to move. Interesting.
Yeah, mixing no 2Ds with UI like nodes never seems to work properly.
The best way to
Okay.
get someone to
Makes
move
sense.
is to ask them nicely.
Please,
Okay.
sir.
This
can
is
you
what we do.
move?
We have Kenny here, the K, and then all the other little people will follow. But we want them to follow in a line.
What is going on here?
So to get them to follow in a line like this,
Kenny Jam.
we need to
Control. Control nodes are your friends.
True, but I don't want the best
They
way. I
are.
want the quickest way.
How do I
What's the easiest
duplicate
way to do a
this?
hover over
Mouse
with these
enter.
texture buttons? With texture Rex. Is there not a style I can override? I can't remember.
I
Theme.
don't remember.
Is it?
Wait a sec. What is Zen mode?
All right. Let's add some trees.
So if we do
Yeah. okay, cool.
Trees on
Alright.
the building layer. Some pretty trees. Pretty trees.
next level
I can
programming.
I can just tell you that
Pretty
my brain is
trees.
not working anymore.
Tell it to
Pretty
start working.
trees.
Easy peasy.
Oh no. No, no.
I wish I had
no
thought
trees
of that.
Yeah, no worries. That's what I'm here for. Ideas.
You've cured me.
You know, my trees are a little off.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay,
they're good, though.
how?
Whatever.
It's 2 a.m. and my brain is clocked out.
So
I
only,
was
but that's
24
not.
hours.
That's not telling them.
I'm only on the.
Is there a size restriction
Nearly
on the
9 hour
teams?
mark.
No, there is not. There is no
issue.
team restriction, Dr. Dark. It is not solo only. That is why we're involving
Uh-oh.
chat. It's a team
Shiloh, I'm
effort
looking at
here.
your messages now. I'm sorry I missed it. There's a whole thing. I mean, there is a button to switch tile map players. if
I
that's
am
what
on
we're
the
talking
team.
about.
Sure. All of chat is on our team.
What is an atlas?
Like a
I
dictionary?
thought we decided already that pre-existing unoptimized
I am
assets.
on
yeah.
the team.
Why? Oh
Hey,
no!
if
Don't
you're-
tell me I need to change these up again, Shiloh.
If you're
Hey,
on the
Infinity,
team, make
that's
sure to use the emote team. Have you seen that meme? The team emotes.
I should
We
probably add signals to these.
we went through this and we found that
Yeah.
this was the best way to do it. I was trying for a long time to get this to work with you know,
Listen to Shiloh.
not doing it that way.
They helped me a lot.
Amped. Amped. Okay, what? I guess how do
Atlas
we
is a
make
texture that combines individual textures?
character
Another name for Atlas is a
move?
sprite sheet.
Are you going to move
Yeah.
in a grid? Yes. Yes. Like we're going to follow the map
I
that
don't know that my brain can do that,
BitDash is working
Shiloh.
on. So I almost feel like we need to wait till the map's done so then we can do a nav agent. Because if I
Wait,
remember
so
right, the
wait.
nav agent will get an area
There's not Infinitani.
and then we'll travel
They're
down
all
it.
separate PNGs.
Is this the way to do this? I can't remember. If event is mouse button,
Like,
and event is pressed.
oops,
Pressed. I
When?
can't remember.
extra large.
Pressed. Oh,
When?
input dot
Code.
mouse button.
So it'd be
Mouse button.
like when button
separate,
is
it's not
pressed.
fun. Use some online tool. You know, Kenny did mention there was
Start.
some online tools.
Moving
Let's see.
down the
Where did I see that?
On rotate.
track.
Kenny
Like we're gonna have a
File map.
track.
Isometric.
You definitely want a. What are you guys talking about? A asterisk. A star?
Delete block pressed.
Like the shape?
Hmm.
It's a grid nav thing. Oh. I've never heard of a star.
I love the Twitch community. We love you too.
Search a star.
So much. We love you so
A
much.
star algorithm. Let's just go here.
I don't know. There was some documentation that Kenny had where it's like, use this to make a sprite sheet. And of course I don't know where that is anymore.
Pathfinding. Oh, that's for 3. We won't get 04.
My brain is just.
Oh, it's literally called a star.
If all the sprites in a sheet are uniform in size, well, we don't have a sprite sheet. Extracting a sprite sheet. Creating a
Print.
sprite sheet. To pack
Rotating.
individual sprites in a sprite sheet, I recommend using free texture packer. After installing
Texture
the
packer.
program, draw all sprites you want.
Doing my part.
Free texture
The
packer?
program will generate a sprite sheet after dropping the file. Is this
Searching.
do it? Do that. Do that. Is it really going to save me that much time, Infinitani? Or am I going down a rabbit hole that I don't need to go down?
Tanny
I
saved
think
me
what
a
they're trying to
crap
get you
load
to
of
do
time.
is make a tile set from all the individual pictures, so it will save you a lot of time.
But my
I
tutorial
didn't
level's almost
do
done.
thing. Oh hey, good luck on Kenny Jam. Thanks, Ferric. Thank you. We're making progress.
We're noobs making
We're
progress.
doing stuff.
We're doing it. Oh man.
Is there a web app?
I don't know what A
Oh,
star is,
God,
and I
might
can't
just
find
use
it.
the web app.
Oh, you found it. Sweet.
Add images.
Let's read. An implementation of
Alright,
A star for
let's see.
finding the shortest path between two vertices on a connected graph in 2D.
Where's the downloads?
Oh.
Don't do that.
Noobs making progress
No,
is the
no, no.
best.
No.
Implementation of A star
you wanna do
algorithm. Use the shortest path between two
navigation
vertices on a
server.
connected graph in 2D space. You have dots, and those dots are connected. Oh, so we'd basically, for like our little grid things, so they're like little boxes or whatever, and you're saying we would put like a dot on each one, and then you have the character would go to each dot. Kind of like that.
I see your point, Infinitani. Hey, Freedom,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Look into navigation server. It has a really nice way of creating polygons that allow your characters to, using AI, move through a space.
Right. We were looking at navigation agents, but Ironic's mentioning to use A star.
Isn't
Oh,
that hard?
they mean the algorithm.
Yeah, the
A
algorithm.
star pathfinding algorithm.
I think navigation server uses A star.
Oh,
unless
what
I'm
do connected
very
dots
wrong.
make? A grid. It's literally this. It's basically the
I
same
get your
thing.
point, Infinitani.
If you say go to dot 8, 4 from 8 to.
Infinitani, I really don't want to go down a rabbit hole.
I would trust Tanny.
Okay, we'll just try. We'll try. We'll go.
Send
We'll
it.
What
have
they're
the
saying
images
is
from here.
for you to make basically a texture map.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's gonna
I
take
get
more
that.
time and like front loaded time, but afterward it's gonna like
Then you've got
super
everything
speed you
loaded.
up.
Let's see. We'll try. Open.
Have you actually played around with the tile stuff, by the way? You can actually like add physics properties and everything to each tile as well.
So can we
Yeah, I haven't played with that.
Can we even like
this
add
looks
like
wrong.
borders, like collision borders to like the sides, so then a character can only move straight through it?
I think so.
I'm gonna get.
You know how there's Big
power.
Pharma? I'm now Big Tanny.
Big Tanny.
Big Tanny. Who just
How
messaged
do
me?
I?
Oh no.
I don't know what I'm doing.
No one does.
Oh no. So sorry.
Do all
Who's
the blocks,
hungry?
by the way, have north, east, south, west? Is that
Yes,
like
they
a
do.
convention we can stick to? Okay, cool.
Yes,
Thanks.
they're always underscore SNEW capital.
I
Oh,
promoted in
that's what I
someone's
needed to
wrong
know.
channel. Ah.
So this doesn't exactly work, and I think it's because
Okay, if there isn't a point
these are isometric
or a
assets.
connection, it wouldn't go down. Okay. Hang on, I'm gonna mute y'all, so then you don't hear me screaming. So, ironic. If we do like so, if one of the tiles, like this is a tile, and then the only path you can walk on the tile is the blue. Here, so you can only walk here. And then there's another tile that's like this, but it goes like that. Will the character just stop here? Or will it try to like teleport to here? Wait for it. There we go. It will stop. Okay. Unless the grid is connected. Okay. So then the way this works is you have to have the tiles and you put the points on the tiles. So it'd be like you put a point here and then you put a point here, point here, point here, and point here. Kind of like that. So if this is the case, I remember working with A-Star back in my first Godot project. Never again. Ironic is probably the person to go to for this one. Indeed, Ironic's usually the person to go to. Ironic's a genius. I'm as far away from an A-Star knower as you can be. I think I might be. I didn't even know what A-Star was. I made some dwarfs on a grid once. Time for some tutorials, Mr. Baldforge. Oh, man. Oh, boy. All right. All right, we're going to have to get into tutorial mode here. Pull up. Actually, we'll just go boom, boom, boom. How to make 2D characters walk on a grid. Oops, I should have said Godot. Godot. Grid-based movement, less than 3 minutes. That sounds good.
This is how you make a grid-based movement
Don't
system.
search it like that.
So first off,
I mean, we found something, no?
I'm going to start off with a tile map that just has green all over. We're going to have a body,
Godot
character body 2D from Godot 4. We're going to have a little sprite that represents our character and a collision.
This is the exact
state.
tutorial I went
Let's
to,
go into
yeah.
the script, which is going to have nothing in it. The first thing we're going to do is emulate our grid.
We're gonna give it a
an
minute.
array.
Let him see.
This array is going to also emulate
Let this
our,
man cook.
position.
I tried
So we're
a
gonna call
few
it
things
current
from him and never ended up
position
working for me. Skill
equals-
issue. You also need to read the docs. Yeah, I'm not. See, the problem is half the time I go to read the docs and it just leaves me with more questions. Read A-Star 2D and A-Star 3D articles. Okay. Implementation, shortest path between two vertices on a connected graph. Yeah, I guess I need. Okay, so you get the points. Add point. Adds a point to the given position with the given identifier. The ID must be 0 or larger, and the weight scale must be 0 or greater. The weight scale is multiplied by the result of the compute cost in determining overall cost of traveling across. Time for me to go. Bye, Tanny. Have a good one. You are muted on other channels, I think? Yeah, I am. I muted myself so then they don't hear me trying to figure this out. That way I'm not like talking over them and stuff. We could do connected points. Create segments between the given points. If bidirectional is false, only movement from ID to ID is allowed, but not reverse. And then deletes the segment. We don't need to delete. Gets closest point. So we could get the closest point. Please be shift. Nope, it's not shift. Still learning these controls. So we can get the closest point each time. Returns the ID of the closest point, and then we move to the closest point. Vector 2 get closest position in segment. Oh, this might be better. Returns the closest position to position that resides inside a segment between two connected points. Okay. var a star 2d dot new returns an array with the IDs of the points that form the path found by a star 2d between the given points. The array is ordered from starting point to the end point. Your guys is going down a river type thing. Kind of complicated though. Did it? We thought this would be like a very simple thing, because it's like all you're doing is you're traveling down a path. It's easier if your tiles just have one point. Where would you put that point? Like at the end? But then wouldn't it try to like cut across? In the middle. I see. You put the point here, here, and here. And so then it will go boom, boom. Okay. So basically we want to put points there. Now, the points, crap, we're going to need the tiles to actually start coding this, don't we? Because we need to put the points down and then in the code start looking for these points and doing the movement and all that, don't we? Actually, that might be fine because I can just make a because he's not placing the points for that. He's just making the maps, or BitDash is just making the maps. So then I can make a like a scene for each individual tile, give them the points. So each individual tile, I'll put the points down, put it in there, probably have like a script for it or something as well. I think your tiles need to be scenes. Yeah. So these tiles here will be the scenes. The other stuff doesn't matter. Okay. And then what we can do is create a new tile every time we go to place it or whatever. Okay. I think I'm understanding what to do. Let's turn their thing back on. Unmute ourselves.
You tell me.
Okay. We figured out what to do.
Are you seeing in the 5th dimension right now?
12th. And then you probably get something working just with the I shape first, and then do the L, then the plus, then the T. Yeah, okay.
This does seem like an improvement. I agree.
Okay.
So you finally got it working.
Yeah, this was definitely an improvement.
Do you guys have the tiles for the like the ones that we'd be walking on?
Build a tutorial all over.
There's one called Grids, if you've imported it already. I guess that's what it is, isn't it? What they'd be working on.
Wait, why does it say my stream is offline?
Uh-oh. I can still hear you.
You know what?
Maybe it's just a glitch in the system.
In the
Yeah,
matrix.
it was. Okay. Never mind, we're good. I was like, what? Do you guys have the tiles already for the ones that we'd be moving on?
Yes, but I might be changing that.
Oh.
So
no.
I need those. I need just the ones that the characters will move on, so then I can start coding the characters.
So you're gonna do it based on the tiles that you can move on?
Yeah. So we put a singular point in the center of each one. So I'll make a scene for each individual like tile shape. So it'd just be like one for like a straight up and down line, one for like the curved, one for like a plus one or whatever.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, let me, I guess my tutorial level, I'll just take a screenshot of and I'll be able to do it quicker now. And let me replace the grid with this tile map and we'll be good.
Okay.
Okay.
Good
I'm
Give me a
gonna
few seconds.
merge the character stuff that I have now with the main branch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that shouldn't affect anything.
Yeah, Shiloh and Infinity, if you're still here, good suggestion. This is definitely better. Better
Swap to
than the
main.
manually inputting things. So
Then we
let
merge
me
Damn right.
save
character
this.
movement in.
They're basically saviors on our chat.
Yep. Let's call this
Successfully
game tile
merged.
map.
Push.
I don't know. Kenny tile map. Isometric.
7
Tile
a.m.
map.
Holy moly. I didn't even realize it was 7 a.m. for Tanny.
And we're gonna save this as the isometric tile map.
Oops. I didn't want to switch to
Save.
you.
And
We're losing our freaking mind. All right.
I'm going to actually delete this.
Am I cool to delete
Sad.
the
Let me take a screenshot
useless branches?
before I do that.
What do you mean useless branches?
Like my 3D
If
to
your stuff's
2D.
already been
I'm
merged
going
in,
Yeah.
to
and yeah,
delete this.
delete them.
Okay, we're gonna
We won't need
save
them
the
again.
scene. Tutorial level save.
Then
Okay, now we have our isometric tile map. We have a tutorial level. I really hope I'm in a new branch. I don't think I am. That's okay. I haven't committed anything. Get
Alright.
checkout.
yes.
Get
Sweet.
branch. Get
Hunted Storm,
checkout,
hello. Welcome.
Updated
Welcome.
tile
And
map.
event.
Get checkout -B.
Welcome to the 24-hour Kenny Jam stream. Maybe even 48 hours.
We're gonna be so dead after
Who
this.
knows?
When you packed your atlas, I think you had detect duplicates, which removed some of the tiles from your texture. Really?
It's
Don't tell
going.
me
We're
that.
chugging along.
There are
Chugging
things you can
along.
do like that.
All the textures look right. This wasn't full in the first place. If we go here, this last one, it's
Oops.
okay.
We're just waiting on BitDash to merge to main, and then
I think
we're
it's,
gonna
I
pull
think
it,
it's fine.
and we'll be good.
Oh, wait, you
Off
know
to the
what?
coding. Next level
You might be right.
programming.
Because some of the northwest, south, and east. Oh shit.
What?
Yeah, I think you're totally right.
Is it gonna make things worse?
No, I'm just gonna have to re-import these. If you go to first texture and toggle detect on off. Well, let's see. Detect identical. Yeah, it definitely changes the size. All right, I'm gonna have to redo this again. I'm almost there, guys. But good catch, Shiloh. That would have broken Wolfrick's logic, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, with the northwest thing. Well, you can just you can just make vectors as long as I know what the positions are. I can just.
1 second, I got a phone call.
Phone call.
How dare you? All right.
I need him to merge. I can't do anything. I'm in Struggle
Right.
Street.
Rotate, right.
My
I guess I need
relationship
the.
of 3 years ended Thursday. I'm Giga Slump. Oof. Maybe I jump in on the jam as a distraction. Heck yeah. Yeah. 3 years. Whew. Yeah, you can steal our idea, go with it, make it better. Oh man. 3 years. That's rough. But hey. Better. No, I'm not gonna say that. Bum, bum, bum. I guess what we could do is, while we're waiting for Mr. BitDash, come over here. And I can destroy you guys once more.
Yeah. Okay. I know what happened here. We're going to reset this.
4,
Goodbye.
5,
Goodbye.
6,
Tile set.
7,
Delete.
8,
Delete.
9. What's the concept looking like? Ooh, good question. Good question. So, what we got is it's kind of like one of these pipe games where you start off and then you have to maneuver the pipes, like rotate them in order to get from point A to point B. And then you follow the pipes down, bam. So expanding upon that and using the Kenny assets, we are kind of making a, oh, here, let me, where is it? Here it is. Here's the backstory. Basically, the main objective is to successfully guide Kenny and sometimes his newfound friends through various natural obstacles to reunite with their families. What that means is there's going to be like little towns and stuff, and you have to like navigate them to them and whatnot. Yeah, it's kind of just based off of the theme of connection. Real fancy like. Ooh. It sounds cute.
I know what I just clicked remove on. Whatever.
That's a good sign.
Okay, now let's go back here. Let's export.
Oh, there it is. The rotation.
This is Kenny Pact 2.
Okay.
Right, let's go here. Go here.
How am I going to do that?
PNGs. Let's see. We got this. We gotta go to the tile set.
Maybe
We're gonna actually.
hate the exported variable texture. Compressed.
All right, chat. I'm ready.
Should do.
Do it. Do the thing.
And maybe from the texture we can get the name.
Okay, we're gonna go to Kenny Pact. Put that in Kenny Pact.
Oh.
Hey, are you using the Kenny assets in Kenny's Sketch Town?
I don't think so.
Me?
Wolfric.
I'm
Oh.
using a cube.
Okay, so if I
I'm
delete
working on the
assets, I'm
rotation
not
and
gonna
stuff.
break you.
No. I'm working on the rotation and things.
Okay.
Ouch.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well.
Yeah, this tool is really cool. For future
Never
reference.
eat shredded wheat. No.
Someone pick a number 1 through 8.
5.
6.
5
Yeah,
or
5.
6. 5?
I don't
Alright.
care. You give him 6. You want?
Doesn't the... No. Of course not. You can always tie it up.
Okay.
Oh, and I guess you can just do this then. Equals direction.
All right. Now I need another number, chat.
Even though.
Shit. That's not right. Undo. Undo.
But technically,
delete.
this is just 0. Or is it 1 actually? It might be 1, 2, 3.
We have to start with the right size. 256 by 352.
My brain is absolutely dying. I think I've had too much caffeine. 2,
You're getting me scared for what's to come. I'm still wide awake right now.
Well, it's nearly 2:30 a.m. for me. Direction.
I'm listening to
Never each week.
232, 110.
Current direction
All right.
equals direction, but then you want to increment, so I'd need to know that the end would be 4. Can I do that? Direction.
How
is
do
that
I
like a max?
get rid of this old stuff?
What the hell is anchor begin and anchor end? Oh. I don't think I'm going to use this. I think if I did this, it would be like this. Oh. Might as well make it a stupid array.
This is how I'm deleting. Is I'm just overwriting them.
How dare you?
Stupid. Okay. Yeah, I've dealt with all my problems now. Perfect. Okay, so we have our textures. I guess I could rename these, but there's not a great naming convention, so I don't think I'm going to. Right. Now I'm going to delete more
Alrighty.
assets, so a bunch is going to change again.
Okay. And then you're gonna commit it to main.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Well, once it gets rebooted.
How many files is
Go
it?
check out.
I'm gonna walk in a circle then.
Yep.
Gotta
You
make
do
sure
that.
we're staying up and alive over here.
Delete.
Never done co-op before because it's hard. Fun. I like it. I'm enjoying it.
We're gonna delete the grid scene. Delete. Remove.
I don't know. The other way to do this is basically have an enum to it'd be like direction enum to number.
Wait a second. I thought I removed these Kenny
Or,
Sketchtown
I
expansions.
think there's an alien outside.
Oh really? You can just do sides? Oh, that's awesome.
An alien outside? Dude, you haven't been up that long.
Huh.
Let's see.
They're trying to
Interesting.
reach you about your car's extended warranty.
Nice. Alright, here we go. Get status. Get add. Oh, let me add a get ignore in here.
I thought we already had all the kid ignores. Or do you have to add them every time?
You have to add them to each project. I don't think it's in here, or maybe it's just not including the .ds store, which is a iOS thing.
Yeah.
Alright, git commit. Use
Cool.
texture map.
Interesting. Or is it just dot size?
Git push
Okay.
CV.
My brain is absolutely dying.
Go walk in a circle.
Rotate right.
Walking around gets the blood pumping.
Okay. Create pull request to main. Ooh, you're really gonna like this one. I changed 1,414 files.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Yeah, let me make sure I didn't delete anything I shouldn't have.
It would
I'm not gonna
be
look at the
ideal.
asset files. Scenes I deleted. No, I added isometric. And
Basically,
tutorial level.
next direction is +1. If the next direction is greater than the size, then basically we want to reset it to 0, which would be north.
I've
the
broken
direction
GitHub.
to equal the next direction, which would be north. And I guess we actually have to rotate the thing. Actually rotate the image.
Git fetch. Oh, git
You're a-
merge. Version. Name. No, I have conflicts, y'all. 1 second.
Oh,
I gotta fix
no.
conflicts. Not the conflicts.
Oh,
You.
I thought it was gonna be me with the conflicts. Whew.
That's
I
all the
agree.
assets.
Uh,
Okay.
Next direction equals size.
We're going to have VS Code help me with this. Hopefully it can.
Right. This is something I needed to do, which is
How do I handle conflicts in VS Code?
you can go to the stash changes versus the. I'm not describing this properly. There's two different types of changes, basically. And then you just pick and choose which ones you want.
Right. Oh no. This is a disaster.
Yeah, it's a lot. Holy moly. No! How do people get 13,000? How's your grid? We're still waiting on it, ironic. Once the BitDash solves the merge conflicts, then we can start working on it.
This is my fault.
No,
I shouldn't have done anything without merging first.
it's
How the
fine.
hell do I use this? Honestly, this UI makes no sense. I thought.
Wait, there's a
VS Code would
night
be helping
mode?
me here. For what?
Why not start on the code without the graphics? Because don't I need the point to even start? I guess I don't. Maybe I should. Yeah, you're right. All right, next time I die. I think I know what I can start now.
equals
What?
Atlas texture. And the Atlas
Game's
texture
broken.
has this Atlas thing that contains the
Character.
actual texture.
Oh wait, no, I can't start it because then I guess I could merge it later. Yeah. I'll just make a new branch. Character codes.
Are you using the robots and the
Yeah.
zombies and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You just delete them.
Okay. Then I will not delete them. Except all.
I'm just backseat jamming. No, ironic. I appreciate it. You are front seat jamming over here. Whether you like it or not, you're part of this game jam.
Oh, does it?
And
Oh, that's neat. I can just do this.
the zombies are part of the community.
Hey, Cassie Codes, how you doing? Welcome to the party.
Ah, Miss Cassie
the merge
Casey.
conflict party.
That?
Why did I do this? Can I undo a merge? Can I just stop this? I want to get off this train.
Revert.
Okay, I'm gonna just do this for now.
No,
My
wait, no,
brain
you
is too
can't.
tired.
Okay.
Honestly, I gotta look this up. VS Code.
Oh, I guess I could just do this as well. Now that I've got
merge
that
conflict.
direction.
So, what we need to do. I wonder if we just do. So, ideally, what we want to happen here is that all the other characters will follow in a line. Like so. Would it make more sense just to have the front character look for the points and then everyone else kind of follows behind? Yeehaw! Oh, wait, hang on. Okay, that's fine. I put some ball juice on.
Ball juice. Oh my gosh.
Yeehaw!
This is
Alrighty.
the worst. What the hell? What
Listen
does
up,
this D
folks.
even stand for?
D for determination. You are determined to make these fixes. I'll tell you what.
Are the followers on their own tiles? Ideally, what's going to happen is we would have, like, if these are the tiles,
Deleted.
Or if these are the
Where's the
tiles,
consequence?
it would be something kind of like this.
Oh,
So,
I'm gonna
like, they
need
could
that.
go between the tiles and turn from, like, oops, not that one. This one.
Oh,
It'll be
It is
going that
on
way.
oh, thank you for the follow, Cassie Kids.
Like so. Because they never stop. They just go towards the end point. So ideally, it's like a fluid motion.
Wait, were you using assets from the Kinney assets?
I was using all the Kenny assets.
Goodness, I asked if anyone was using those. Okay. Then I definitely should
Wait,
have
wait.
deleted that.
Which
Yeah, it's because we stream at different times. As you can probably see, it's nearly 3 a.m. my time.
You're not pressing it. Correct, ironic. We're just pressing, like, there's going to be a little button that says, like, start or something. And then we press it. And then, it just goes.
So we got the resource name.
The, the Kenny assets we are not using are the, those map things you were talking about. Just the...
Okay, but you were using the Sketchtown expansion assets?
No, not the sketch town. No towns.
Yeah.
2D characters. Assets 2D characters. I didn't change that though.
You're not pressing anything.
One
No,
second.
sir. We're just hitting start, and then that starts their movement. This music's
It's actually
crazy.
give us the start, which is grass center underscore.
Hmm?
Oh, hold up.
Oh,
That won't do that.
Yeehaw.
This is the problem with relying on
Grass
Android
center
Studio
under.
to do most of my resolve merge conflicts. I've forgotten how to do it manually.
where my Sony glasses go? Shucks.
Okay, that's what I thought would happen.
One of them
In that case-
motorcycles. Cycle's a
Um,
motor.
Previous direction equals file name segments dot pop. So take the end off. File name is equal to file name segments dot join within file name delimiter. I assume they all follow the same format, don't they?
Say what now?
Underscore north. Page north. Okay, cool. Huh. Excited to see the progress.
Starting to see some progress. Should be.
What if instead of following, they all rode piggyback on each other?
What? Too fat.
That might
It's not
be.
changed much.
I don't know how that would work quite well. I don't know about that one.
I was just adding other things into the game.
Other things. Kind of other things.
Oh. They're in the chat. They're talking about my.
Like a big stack of people. That might be too much.
Ignore that. It's broken now.
Ideally, we'd have like a nice line, kind of like a snake line. I reckon that would look mighty fine. Mighty fine.
Mad fine.
Oh, Jesus.
Mighty fine.
What's that?
1 second, Freedom.
Don't sweat it. We're just planning out how we're gonna do that there coding stuff.
That code and stuff.
That there coding
Resource
stuff.
name. File name fragments. Split by the underscore. Pop off the end, which is the direction. Actually, this. Actually, I don't know what that returns.
Oops.
It might do PNG as well. Hold up.
Making oopsies.
Which means it's got the file. Yeah, it's end.tng. Okay, so I can't really do that. Okay.
To the file that has the merge copy.
I think all these people need a horse to ride and a cowboy hat. I reckon you're right. Except I don't reckon there is any of them there horse assets. And trying to manipulate their character models to ride horses sounds rather complex for a game jam.
Game jam.
Tell you what. My
What is the?
southern accent's kind of going down south, if you ask me.
It's because you're tired, right?
What?
Resource file name segments.
Oh,
Previous
still-
direction.
Still got beard juice. Not beard juice, ball juice. Alright, what if we do... Okay, so we could do it so that... I wonder if you can... How to do like a follow chain. And they just automatically follow someone that's in front of them. I don't know how that
File
would work
name.
though. Unless they
Basically,
all...
I just need to update it with the new file name.
unless when
Just
you pick them
previous
up,
file
they
name.
just pause. So then they run the same script, but they're just pausing before they start going. So then this guy can go first. If they all go down the same path,
Alright.
you can just start different times.
I
Yeah,
have a question for
that's
you,
what I was thinking.
Freedom.
Yeah, what's
Uh-huh.
up?
Sorry,
Oh,
1
Freedom.
second. Can you look for assets, 2D characters,
Yep.
PNG, female adventure, PNG, parts, HD, arm.png.import? Is that something you deleted?
Parts, HD, arm.png.
Yeah, do you have it or not?
I have no need for it.
So you deleted it?
I never touched it.
Don't look at me. I haven't deleted a single thing. We can check.
I'm
I
so
did.
confused.
I deleted
Where did you go
the
main?
parts for the male
Just
adventurer
click the-
at one point. We don't need it. I don't think we need any of the parts though. Those are just the
Okay, 'cause
individual.
Do you need any of the files that end with .import? Do you have anything like that?
dot import. I don't have
That's
any
like
dot
all the
imports.
conflicts.
The changes PNG to import.
Oh, it changes
New
that.
desert PNG.
The ones I used the all of the sheets,
Go to.
all the tile sheets.
You use the tile sheets, so you didn't use the PNG ones?
The tile sheets are PNGs.
No,
But I didn't
the
use-
PNG files folders.
The PNG folders, I think some of them had a tile sheet in them. Oh no, they didn't. Yeah, no, I'm not using PNG then. Not the PNG folder.
Okay,
file
then I'm
name.
going to remove.
Yeah, I think that's fine to remove.
I'll
Right.
be right.
Yeah, if they all go down the same path, you just start at different times. So it'd basically just be... Okay, that makes sense. So what we can do with the Kenny character then is we'll add a script
Something like that. Can I do that?
and we'll put in
That's
scripts. Create. Extends character body. What we could do is...
Can you not do that in this?
How do we make them move down a...
Okay, I'll just do this.
I guess we want them to get point, move to point, or I should say A star. Start them
Oh, I
at
should
different
probably
times, stop
actually
them at
take
the
file
same time.
extension.
Yeah, they'll just stop as like they, it's fine if they pile up at the end. I think that's fine. So they can all just kind of pile on top or something. And we'll add collisions so then when they go to pile up on top, they kind of like disperse. Which actually, I could do that real quick. Add a collision shape. And then we come back over here. Collision shape, 2D. Empty.
Do I need previous direction? Because I already got the next
Rectangle.
one.
And then we grab the red dot. Move it.
File new.
And then what we'll do here is we'll basically take kind of precise here. We can do
This is such nasty code.
0.5 3425.
What the hell have I done?
And then the size or scale is 1 negative 0.5, sorry.
Grass
Negative.
center.
And then the
This one.
it's really small. Where did we change the skew visibility?
Okay, let's make sure
Texture, material.
that this runs.
I
Well,
guess.
that's
Oh,
fine.
we need to
No.
give it a shape.
not good.
Rectangle.
Okay,
Here it is.
that's good.
Rectangle. 147, 187.5. There. Save that. And now, when we come here, save that.
Why can't I see
Come
that?
here. Perfect. Come here. Perfect. Oh, this saves so much time. Holy moly.
Delete.
This guy can actually go down a bit. Boop. This one,
Okay, let's see.
Oh, right.
Grid,
Yeah.
just gonna go
those.
boop, like so.
Okay. So now we're going to go to the terminal, get status, get add, get commit,
Okay, right.
push. Okay,
Right?
I think
Oh,
we're
be nice
in a
approach.
good spot now. 175 file.
That's because
Damn.
we didn't add a texture.
What,
Yeah.
Villa? Alright. Freedom, this is ready for you to...
Yeehaw.
Only 16 file changes, so not bad. It reduced from the 1500 I was at before.
Jesus Christ. Go.
Okay, this is on the main.
It's a merge
Cross
to main.
center N.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll hop to main real quick.
Cross center.
Well, just all I need you to do is approve the PR.
I mean, you can.
Do you approve it?
Yeah.
Then I'm merging.
Break everything.
Well, let's hope not.
Well, it's okay. I literally just made a clone of the main, anyways, just in case.
All right, good call. Then I'm merging. All right, give that a shot.
All right, let's fetch the origin. Pull it.
Don't worry, I've not merged in main yet. I don't plan on doing it yet.
Seems good to me. And now I'm gonna merge my other thing into it. Create merge commit.
So much going on.
Push.
Yeah, Dr. Dark, I have no idea how you're watching all three. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta deal with the dog.
Yeah. Delete this branch.
Mm.
Get rid of it.
Let's
go, that gamer! Let's go! Hype up the game jam. Let's go. Thank you. Let's go. What is this pull request? That was a while ago. All right, we're gonna make a new branch again called character codes. Publish.
I would
hate-
usually
I don't
be
like this
far
song.
more energetic.
Wolfric, you gotta stand up, shake it off, walk in a circle.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Da, da, da.
Yeah. Just do that real quick.
Man, I already feel energized. Thank you so much.
What would you say?
I said I already feel energized. Thank you so much.
You didn't even stand up, did you?
Nope.
That's what I thought. I'm telling you. Stand up. Walk in circles. It'll wake you right up. Trust me, I'm a professional in this now.
Okay, mom. Right. Oh, maybe I need to sleep.
Yeah, our collision shapes. Let's go. All right, let's head to the. Oh boy, let's close the assets. There are the characters. I didn't even look at the splash screen yet. Kenny Jam. Is that Kenny Jam logo allowed?
I hope so.
I hope
If
so.
I'd ask.
I don't know. I mean, I
It
guess
might
if it's
not
for
be
the,
allowed.
I mean, if it's for like the loading screen,
All
that's
right.
got to be fine, right?
I would ask.
Right. Okay.
Wolfric, I've had an idea.
I sleep. Thank you.
Yes,
Sleep,
that
thank
is
you.
Literally my idea, so that we can sleep in shifts.
Yeah, that's,
Okay.
Because if
that
you
does
push
work.
it farther,
Yeah,
I'ma die.
we'll hold the fort down over here. We're
Yeah, we got
energized.
this.
We're pumped.
Do you want me to fetch my stuff just to see if anyone wants to do anything with it?
Yeah,
I should
fetch your
probably
stuff.
merge.
Well,
Hold up.
Yeah,
I spent a
Merge.
little bit doing that.
Let's see if everything breaks.
They hate you using their logo to advertise them. How dare you? Oh,
How many match conflicts have I got?
5,000.
Only one.
Nice.
All right, characters. Wait.
It's to do
Wait.
with the grid.
Now.
.tsn.
Okay, good.